Glitter supports importing TXT files that contain coded data exported by the CleverSys program. MOTXT files can be found in the source code. From within the import section. First, select the CleverSys importing mode from the drop-down menu. Next, select the output directory, where the Glitter H5 data files that are generated from the TXT files will be created. Then, select the input directory containing the TXT files to process. This directory must also contain the video files used to generate the TXT files, because the video files are needed by Glitter to generate the H5 files. Next, select the filter with which to select the TXT files in that directory and subdirectories. The shown filter will only select files that end with the TXT extension. Finally, click Refresh. Glitter will now list all the matched files, and they are ready to be processed as described in the main import guide. Only the TCR files should be selected because they contain the data. However, the TCG files should also be in that directory if they exist because they will then be used to import the zones.